Hey guys, Justin here, theAmericanTrucks.com. Today we're taking a quick look at and walking you through the install of the Jet Performance 71mm PowerFlow throttle body, available for your 2011 through 2016 EcoBoost F-150. You should be checking out the Jet Performance option if you're looking to replace your stock throttle body affordably while adding a small amount of performance at the same time, due to things like the minor increase in diameter, along with Jet's unique inlet design to help increase velocity along with throttle response. So big features here will be the small increase in diameter over the stock throttle body, along with the unique inlet design that will act as sort of a plenum spacer thanks to the machining that is present here on the pre-intake or throttle body side. Now, according to the gang over at Jet Performance, this will help increase throttle response and airflow velocity. Now, on top of that, the PowerFlow throttle body is made here in the USA, does feature pre-installed calibrated electronics, along with a simple plug-and-play swap with no tuning modification needed. Construction of the PowerFlow will consist of a CNC machined aircraft grade aluminum body with the machining we mentioned earlier on. Bore size here is 71mm, so only a couple millimeters increase over the stock EcoBoost throttle body. Honestly, I think that's favorable. The reality is most owners don't need some massive 90mm throttle body on their rig, unless your truck is a max effort setup running all of the boost through things like upgraded turbos and so forth. Electronics again here, guys, are pre-installed, pre-calibrated, so you can literally unbox it, bolt it up to your truck without needing to do anything else. Now, this does not include, or does not need, I should say, any tuning, so definitely keep that in mind here. And then finally, guys, this thing is going to be backed by a 2-year limited warranty in case you run into any issues. Moving into pricing here, guys, PowerFlow from Jet is going to land right around that $400 price point. Will be one of the more affordable EcoBoost throttle bodies currently on the site. Options from BBK, Comp, and Solaire will all be at least another $100 to $200 more. So again, if you are looking for an affordable factory upgrade, this is certainly going to be a good option. Install, according to the site, guys, gonna get a middle of the road, 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to complete from start to finish. But now's the time in the video we're gonna throw things to an AmericanTrucks.com customer for a detailed walkthrough. Check it out.
Not very many tools needed to complete this. We had our 1/4 inch, the stubby, an 8mm, 10mm, had a 3-inch, 1/4 inch drive extension, a 6-inch extension, the 8mm socket, and the 7mm socket. Hey everyone, going to be installing a Jet Performance products, the PowerFlow 71mm throttle body. It's going to be going on a 2015 F-150 with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. First step's going to be disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Directions recommend that we do that. So I've got a 10mm box end wrench here. Gonna loosen that, get that off. The throttle body is right here. We've got 4 bolts, 2 on top, 2 underneath. We've got a hose connector and then 1 electrical connector. So to take off the hose, it's gonna be 7mm socket. Now that we've got the battery disconnected, we'll go ahead and undo this hose clamp here. It's a 7mm socket. There, now we got that off. Now it's those 4 bolts. They're 8mm. These top 2 we'll get with the box end wrench. The bottom 2 we'll go ahead and get with a socket. All right, now that those are all loose, we're gonna go ahead and undo the connector. There's a red tab, so I'll get the stubby screwdriver, pull that red tab up, slide it, which will then allow that connector to come off easily. With that off, I'm gonna go ahead and undo these bolts the rest of the way. Well, we'll have to get that one in a minute. Just about got this one out. It's just a little awkward to reach underneath. There's the last one. Pull the hose back and we're able to get it out. To install the new throttle body, we're just going to do a reverse process of the uninstall. So we'll start with getting this hose out of the way a little bit. Get the new throttle body lined up, and we're just going to get these finger tight to start, just enough to hold it in place. Alright, got all 4 of those started. Go ahead and put the connector back on. So slide it, and then we're going to push that red tab in to lock it on. Gonna go ahead and tighten these up. So there's the top 2. Now we'll get these bottom 2 tightened up. Good, that's tight. Now we'll get the hose back on. Switch out to that 7mm for the hose clamp. Now the directions for this jet throttle body say that we need to let it run at idle for 10 minutes for it to relearn the airflow settings. From there, take it for a 10 to 50 mile drive at various speeds. If it throws a check engine light, then we'll come back, disconnect the battery again, and start over with that 10-minute idle. So now that that's tight, we've got the connector on and the new, here's the connector, here's the red piece that we slide out. Air hose, bolt 1, 2, and then down there underneath here, let's see if we can't see it, 4th bolt is under here, 3rd and 4th are under there. Last step is going to be to reinstall the negative battery terminal and then complete that 10-minute idle. All right, time for the idle.
So wrapping this one up here, guys, if you are looking to replace or upgrade a faulty stock throttle body and do so without breaking the bank, be sure to check out the Jet Performance 71mm Power Flow throttle body right here at AmericanTrucks.com.